Alright, engine's in, transmission bolted up. Now I'm going to crawl under there and measure drive shaft length. Alright, we got the engine in, got the transmission in. Not really much past that. And I want to get the transmission cooler installed real quick. So this is the cooler I've used a few times. I like it, it works. And the way I do this, which living in Florida, I guess I can get away with it. I don't run my transmission through the radiator, I want it straight to the cooler. I've never had any problems with it that way. And so this is going to be my tranny cooler. I have to figure out how I'm going to mount it and where I want to mount it. I think I'm going to go to my well, first let's do this first. This cooler right here have fins through it. This is the kind of cooler you want, one with the fins. There are other coolers that have round tubes through it. This is not the cooler that you want. This is the cooler you want. So I got the engine in, transmission in, got my power steering pulley on. It's really about as much as I've gotten on it so far. So my transmission lines are coming through here. I think we're just going to bend them and just go underneath the radiator support. Alright, so I straightened out my lines a little bit. I'm coming out under here. So now we're going to find a place to put our cooler. I want it off of the AC condenser. I'm going to be replacing this soon. So let's kind of see how far over we have to go to get our cool. Alright, so right about here. Alright, so this is going to be the edge of our opening. So we're going to want this over here. So I think the easiest thing here is just going to be just running some straps down. So for our straps, I think we're going to come down and then we're going to have to bend it in a little bit. So we'll add like an inch, so 19 inches. Let's see what we have that we can use. Alright, our first strap is gonna end up right here. Okay. Now we get to line up this one. So I'm trying to put my screw towards the end so I can kind of push it out a little bit. Can't go too far. Okay. Here we go. Maybe I need to do the inside ones. I might have to. Put our little clippy things on. Maybe. I'll put my. Just gonna put a screw in the hole first. Just to get the first screw started. And then we're going to take a visual. And everything else lines up. Alright, there it is. Sweet. Let's look at it with the grill just sitting there. We have plenty of room. So as you can see, it is plenty of room. Bam! There it is. It's on. It's done. It's not coming back off. I don't think. Here we go. Now it's on. Pretty sturdy. I'm happy with it. Been doing some wiring, so got my heat gun up in here, but there's our lines.